Welcome to the National Voice of America Museum of Broadcasting near Cincinnati, Ohio. The Voice of America Museum is the site for the first ever Youth on the Air camp in IARU Region 2. Young licensed amateur radio operators between the ages of 15 and 25 will have the chance to come here for a week of learning, operating, building, and fun. If you are a licensed ham between the ages of 15 and 25 in North, Central, or South America, we want you to apply to come to this camp, which will be held June 21st through 26th in 2020. Maybe you've just become a ham and don't know what's next, or maybe you're already an experienced ham but want to step up your game. Youth on the Air Camp will give you a chance to experience more. There will be workshops on contesting, kit building, direction finding, and satellite operation. We're even planning on having a contest at Kings Island Amusement Park and a high-altitude balloon launch. You'll have a chance to work our week-long special event station, W8Y, with some of the biggest and best rigs available. And best of all, you'll make friends and meet mentors that will last a lifetime. Thanks to the generous support of our sponsors, YOTA Camp is affordable. For more information and to apply, visit YOTARegion2.org. And if you'd like to donate to our cause, also go to YOTARegion2.org and click on the donate button.